In today's video, we will be talking about how to edit boards using the widget function. Head on over to Groupware, CRM, and make up your own board. I will be using the consultation log. Here, when you press New, you can create a new post. Enter the title, attach a file, and enter the content and press Save. Once you have saved it, you will come across this from the list menu. You can click on the title. From here, you can see the different widgets. In order to change the widgets and add different elements or fields to your widget, you have to make a new template. You can do so by clicking the option button. Press Template Setup, create a new template, or modify an existing one by clicking on it. In the template setup, you can check out the More tab and see that you can choose from the 3 widgets. Simply drag and drop them. You can delete them by clicking on it. Now there are 3 types: editor, form, and list. You can choose to widen it or reduce it by dragging them, and by clicking the settings button, you can choose to add more elements. This is divided into board and reply. Let us choose board first and press settings for each widget. Now as for this widget, now let us look at the widgets. First, let's look at the editor widget. By clicking on the settings, you come across the widget settings. Choose the editor item that you would like to add, which is the post content, and press apply. Once you have applied it, it will turn you into a widget settings page where you can choose the More tab to reveal the widget name and auto fit and other settings here. By clicking on settings, you can change the name of the widget and you can add more elements in the post. Once you're done, press apply. Now the same is applied to the other widgets, which are form and list. Firstly, the form list is where you can see the list in a document form, and the list is to see the widgets in a table form. And lastly, the editor form is to see the contents of the post. Now let us click the form widget first. Go to settings. If you'd like to edit something, press right click and insert field. If you would like, you can also set up partitions so that you can add more settings in a single format. And when you're done, press apply. As for the list widget, you can also decide to choose the rows per page and use a conditional form and choose an advanced body setting as well. Once you're done, you can also group them by right-clicking on a widget that is going to be the main widget. Click a group widget. Select the widgets that need to be merged or grouped together and press apply. Once you're done, click Save. As you can see the 3 different widgets in a single group. Now going back to template setup and selecting the template again, we can go to the Reply tab where you can set it so that you can add more contents by inserting field. Once you're done, make sure to apply and save. And when you press reply and save, you can see the replied content as well.